Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you're gonna see a tutorial on this little pink Valentine's inspired makeup look. Yes, she's cute, you know. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Otherwise, you can subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. That's down below. You're already here. You might as well. But if I'm just gonna jump on right into it, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take this Orchid Chamomile face cream right here. This is by Green Gate Botanica, which is a local brand here in Grand Rapids. And I'm going to take, oh, that was way too much. Take some of this and just put it on my face. Okay, and then while that is soaking into my skin, I'm going to take my Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in the shade 23. I'm going to use this as a eyeshadow base. So I'm going to take a flathead brush like this. I'm just going to carve out under my brows. And the purpose of doing this is it gives the eyeshadow something to stick to, along with covering up any redness or veins or imperfections that are on your eyelid. And then do the other side. And then I'm gonna take a blending brush and just kind of blend out the harshness and pick up any extra product that is left on my eyelid. So the first thing that I am going to do is I'm using my P. Louise Secret Sinner palette. I use this all the time, so it's a little bit beat up, but just ignore that. I'm going to start with the color Velvet Kiss. I'm just going to place it, and then I'm wiping off the extra on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to go back and buff it out. It's okay if it's not blended out that much because we're going to go back with a lighter color and soften that harshness a little bit. But this is just to make sure that the color gets down really pigmented. And then lightly blend the edges. Like that. And then once you look crazy, go ahead and take another blending brush, and I'm taking a little bit lighter color. I'm going to take the color S&M and blend that. I'm the type of person who goes up into my eyebrows and stuff. If you don't like that, you don't have to do it. You can keep it a little lower. So once you like the way that that looks, we're going to go on to the next step. Next, I'm going in with the Be Perfect Cosmetics collab with Stacey Marie MUA, and this is the Carnival palette right here. And there's a little bit of a deeper pink in that palette that I'm going to use. Then I'm going to go even deeper into my crease and just pack a ton of that product in there because I want it to be super deep and rich. Same brush, I'm just using really light pressure. And then I'm going to go back with this brush. Like that. Same thing again on the other eye. Okay, and once that is done, now I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm just taking a little bit more of that Juvia's Place concealer, and now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm doing a wing to cut crease, so I'll show you guys how I do that. I'm gonna start on the inside right here and wing it out, just kind of as if I was doing eyeliner or something like that. And then once I start getting towards the outside like this, I literally draw it like a winged line out like that, just as if I was drawing eyeliner on. And white it out. Okay, and then one side's done, go ahead and move on to the other. Okay, next I'm going in with this LA Splash Diamond Dust, and this is in the shade, I don't know what shade, but it's like a white shimmer. And I'm gonna take that on this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm just gonna dab that all over the lid where we just put the concealer. Okay, and then to do just a little extra pop, I'm taking this Fenty Beauty eyeliner, and it's the pink one right here. And I'm just going to trace the crease. Okay, so it stopped recording for a little bit, but all I did was take foundation and put it over my eyebrows, and now I'm just putting it on the rest of my face. And I was saying that when I put foundation on with a brush, I brush it in a downwards motion because there's hairs on your face. And if you brush up or kind of in circles, you're going to make those hairs not lay flat, which is going to give you more texture on your skin, which we don't want. It's the whole point of the foundation. I always leave my under eye area empty, and I just put concealer there because I feel like if you put concealer and foundation, it can get a little bit too heavy and cakey. So I just use a concealer personally. Back in with the Juvia's Place. I'm going to go back in with the same brush that we used for the foundation and just kind of blend everything together. I like to use the same brush because I feel like the leftover foundation kind of blends the concealer a little bit better. It can help prevent it from looking so different in contrast. And right now I'm just kind of getting the most of the product in the spot that I want. And then I'm going to clean off this brush, make sure it's nice and clean. And I'm going to take the blending brush that we used for the cream on our eyes earlier, and I'm going to use that just to really blend it into the foundation, I feel like this brush picks up product a little bit more and doesn't leave too much behind. Okay, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is take my Juvia's Place powder, and I'm going to put quite a bit under my eyes. I don't have a problem. I love this powder. I feel like I can use a lot, and it doesn't alter the foundation color too much. Oh, I should probably blend out my nose first. I'm not setting any powder on my tattoo because I'm going to clean that off in a little bit. So I'm just doing around it. And this is like a light baking. I'm not really a fan of baking heavily, so this is just what I do. Next, I'm going to contour and bronze. And I'm blending up, starting from like my ear right here, blending down and then up. But you don't want to blend it down this way, because that's going to make your face look fatter, which is not the effect we're going for. I'm just dusting off that extra powder now. And then I'll hit the top of the forehead and the sides. Okay, next I'm going to use a blush, and I'm going in with just a couple pink eyeshadows. Dusting off the excess. And putting blush on. I always tap over with the foundation brush just to make everything more seamless. And then we are going to highlight. I'm going to use the same shimmer that I used on my eyes to highlight. So to get that to stick, I'm going to spray my face with a setting spray. A lot of setting spray. Boom. Oh, that was a lot. Tip of the nose. Same thing, go over with the foundation brush. Oh my gosh, there's sparkles flying. And then I'm going to do the lower lash line. So I'm taking a skinny little brush like this, and the same dark color that we used on top, I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes. I hate putting eyelashes on. Okay, 9 years later. Bottom mascara and so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more action like this, please subscribe to my channel down below. Follow on my social media at Jess Carae, and I will see you guys soon. See you later.